Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome if this is the first time here. My name is Tolulope Solutions. I film about faith, family, business and lifestyle from Canada. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my gadget buys. Now, my team solutions know that I've been filming with my phone for the longest time. Yes, like even me sometimes I'm like, girl, you too like convenience, and that is the only logical reason I filmed with my phone until I got to about 80k subscribers. I was still filming with my phone. Now for context, I currently have the iPhone XS Max, and that's what I've been using even for some recent vlogs. But anyway, my vlogging camera just came in the mail and I thought it would be nice to unbox it with you guys. I've seen one or two pieces of it, but I haven't actually gone through everything. So let's start with that, and then I will show you the other things I've gotten in the course of the year, just so that you know the YouTube ministry can keep moving forward. And I see the comments, it's so encouraging when some people say, oh, your background is giving or your YouTube lighting is popping. I'm like, thank you, you see the investment. But anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing of this. So because I do lifestyle vlogs and I actually do sit downs when I talk about like different things, I realized that it was not practical for me to use the same camera, or it wasn't functional, because it took me so long to get a camera that I wanted to just go in and do it right. So I actually bought my sit down camera first because I thought I could still keep managing my phone for the lifestyle vlogs, but it's become apparent that when I sit down the quality is crisp and clear, but when I'm doing lifestyle vlogs, which people also enjoy, is not like, Tolu, what is this? To me, like, it's not like maybe I've seen one or two complaints, but to me it's like, girl, you should be doing better. So I went ahead and I got the EOS M6 Mark II. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see these? So this is how it came, and this is what I actually just got in the mail yesterday. I did so much research while buying this camera because I wanted something very functional, and I initially thought I was going to go for the G7X2 or 3, but when I now started doing my research, I realized that the 3, which I should ordinarily get because it's the more advanced option, had some autofocus issues. I watched so many videos, I wasn't so impressed, and then in the course of my research I found this one. Now there is also the EOS M50, which is like in the same category as this one, but this is like a more recent one and it has some like more advantage. Of course it is like double the price of the M50, but I just thought whatever is worth doing at all is worth doing well. Again, I've waited this long, I might as well just get it right. Now the lens to get with this was what gave me a bit of problem, but I just went with the kit lens because I've seen some YouTubers that really like the quality, but it seemed as though the lens was a bit big. Like I said, I wanted something really functional. I didn't want a camera that in two years time, what am I saying, I didn't want a camera that in 2 months time I'll be tired of carrying about, right? I wanted something that could fit in my purse. So I'm so happy about the kit lens that came with this one, and I haven't even tried it. So this is the kit lens that came with it, and it is the, let me just open it and show you guys. It has 15 to 45 mm what's it called, focal range, is that what they call it? The zoom lens. See me feeling like a techie person, but when I'm doing research like this I know all these things. But for one, the aperture is from 1 to 3.5 to 6.3, so that's like 3.5 to 6.3, which is good. You can still do lifestyle vlogs and get a bit of a bouquet and blurry background, so that's good. So this one just goes right on this one, and I'm going to set it all up. So at the end of the day, this is all that I'm going to be working with in terms of my vlogging camera. Nothing too heavy. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys this one that I'm filming with. That's my sit down vlogs. I cannot afford to take it anywhere and everywhere with me. So in the package, it came with this. I'm going to put the prices on the screen as I speak actually. because I don't have it offhand. So that if you're looking to buy, I'm going to put where I bought it and things like that. It came with this. I'm not sure if this is what I'm going to be using, but it came with this handheld vlogging tool. So this is just like a hi guys, welcome back to my channel kind of thing. I might buy another one if this isn't practical, because I actually want one that can also stand. So while I'm talking, I want it to be able to stand. I don't know how this works. Like I said, I haven't really gone in depth, but after this I'm going to actually set it up, research it, do the settings and all of that. But it also came with a flash drive, which I'm not sure I'll be using, but yeah, there you have it. And then this is what's this? Okay, so this is like a filter for the lens that it also came with. Yep. And yeah, memory card, guys. I bought, so it came with this. I'm so happy about this one. I bought 2 memory cards when I got this sit-down camera, not this one, the sit-down one, and I can only find one, like 64 gig memory card, and I was using, in the period that my laptop spoiled, I actually misplaced one because I kept moving it around because I was using the television to work. So I'm happy this one, and this is 128 gig. So I remember when I was buying, actually he asked me which option I wanted, and I opted for this one because with vlogging you never know how much clips you get. And it has this front thing that I'll probably not use. Then this is like what's this? I don't know. Okay, so I think this is like a carrier slash something you screw slash something. I'll figure it out, but these are not really things that I will need. Then it also comes with a remote control. I actually already have a remote, but that's on my tripod. So anyway, it comes with this remote control as well. Obviously it comes with a manual that I might not read, or maybe I will if I embarrass myself. But that manual is too bulky, let's be honest. What is this? Right, so it comes with a viewfinder as well. So I saw this when I was researching. The good thing about this viewfinder is you don't need it for vlogging, you need it only for pictures. Because if you're vlogging, the flip screen already tells you like what you're doing, right? So I'm so happy about this. I'll be keeping it, even though if I want to take pictures I would actually use this bigger camera I have, but it's always good to have, right? So that makes a lot of sense. Then obviously it comes with the Canon popular carrier. What else? Batteries. Definitely, I was already looking for the batteries. I think I'm going to need to get extra batteries, but it does come with one battery and the charger for the battery as well. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so the vlogging camera also comes with this bag, which is big, and that's good. So it's just this big bag. It has 2 compartments inside of it. Oops. So it has 2 compartments where you just keep your camera and stuff, and that's really good for me because like I said, this one will be at home, but when I'm going out with the vlogging camera, if I'm not carrying a big enough bag, then I have where to put it, right? Now that is all for the camera, like the box of the camera itself. And this old box cost me, I'll put it on the screen, tax inclusive. But when I had and I got a microphone that I'm going to be using for it, like guys, I told you I'm going all in. So this is a Rode mic. None of these things are sponsored, by the way. I'm just sharing with you guys because you've been a part of my phone journey, so you should know what I'm using by the time I start to get like really crisp content. So this mic, I'm going to be using it solely for the vlogging camera, and a lot of research went into these things that I'm sharing, by the way. But it's just like a small mic. It's just going to be like on top of the camera, like so. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys before I move to, there are 3 things in front of me that I'm going to show you guys. But I also got this tripod that goes all the way. So I had something similar to this in Nigeria when I was filming with my phone, but I gave it all the way when I was relocating. So for real, this is like a phone type thing, but I still bought it because of Instagram Live. You know, this is not for camera, that's all I'm saying, but I'll still need it, especially for my phone. I'm not going to be filming with my phone again for the most part, help me Lord, because trust me, filming with my phone was the easiest thing for me. Like, I feel like that's one of the reasons I stalled getting a camera for so long, but obviously now the quality does not understand comfort. But anyway, so why I like this tripod is it can literally go from like this very huge length to like tabletop, right? So if I do have anything I want to film on my laptop or my desk or my work desk, and I just want it to be like really portable, then I can use this one. So this is how small it is. It's really small. I like it. I feel like the usefulness of this one will mainly be for Instagram and my phone, which I'm praying I upgrade soon. I'm hoping to upgrade my phone soon for my 30th birthday. Okay, anyway, moving on. I also got this lapel mic that I'm wearing right now. Let me just stand up a bit and show you guys. So here's the lapel mic. It's a normal lapel mic, and this is from Boya. I'm going to put it on the screen as well. The good thing about this is that it's also like really crisp and it's away from the autofocus noise. So I haven't been using this because it's just been there. I bought it, you guys will not believe that I bought this since like March. That was the first thing I bought that has to do with gadgets before I even bought the camera. And even after I now started using the camera, I was just going with the inbuilt audio. But like I said, everything has to be on fleek, so I had to go and unbox it. The first time I filmed with it, I forgot to flip the what's it called, mode to camera, so there was no audio. But thankfully I was also recording on my phone as a backup because that was my first time, so I still had my audio. But now I know much better. Let's move on to the things in front of me. So the next thing is just this normal new ring guide. I got it here as well. And this is the only ring light I use actually, because there is so much daylight in my apartment, in the room especially. If I'm going to buy more ring lights, maybe I'll just buy like a soft box or two just for additional light. But because of the resolution of the camera I use for my sit downs, I honestly don't feel like I need an additional light. But let me know, guys, do you guys think I should get more light, or is this already giving what it should give? Anyway, next is this stand. This is the stand I put my vlogging camera on. It is sturdy. It has like up to 4 layers. It is nice. It does what it should do. I like the red detail. I just always keep this out in the den when I'm done. I'm looking forward to a time where I have a filming space and I don't have to move it around. But yeah, it's sturdy. It's nice. I'm also going to put the price of everything and the link in the description box. Now to the most expensive gear that I'm filming with. Okay, this is it. I have the EOS 90D, and I'm honestly also still trying to figure out this camera. So most times I just film in the auto, but now I'm getting some of the manual settings. What I really love about this, I didn't show you guys in that vlogging camera, but this one also has the flip screen, so you can flip it and see what you're doing. The lens that I use with this one is the 18 to 35 millimeter lens, and this is a, like, do they call it USM series? I'm not sure. I'm going to put everything in the description box, but it's a Sigma 18 to 35, and this is like, the lens in itself is also like powerful, like powerhouse. Job. It's also like powerhouse. So yeah, what else do I want to tell you? So the 18 to 35, what I love about it is the fact that I can zoom in and zoom out. So most times when I'm filming all by myself, I zoom in. If I have my husband or a guest on the show, I zoom out. That way you can see us both. And to be honest, I feel like I can make so much magic with this. Even for pictures, it is so good. It is heavy though, guys. I can't believe I contemplated that. Should I just buy a smaller lens and be vlogging with this as well? I wouldn't have been able to do it. Like, can you imagine the difference with this one? Like, and even the share inside. So okay, so this is why I said I didn't show you guys for this one. The fact that it has a flip screen, and when I'm recording I can see myself. I like that. But yeah, so can you imagine this and just this for my vlogging compared to this for sit down? Like this is gadget for this. But anyway, that's it. You don't have to get it right away. Remember I said I didn't get any of these things until I got to over 80k subscribers, so you don't have to get it right away. But if you really want functional cameras, then believe that I have done all the research for you. And there's two cameras, one for vlogging, and for starters you can even buy this, or even if it's the G7X2, like if you really need a camera and you want to feel professional, you can even buy just this, vlog with it, and eventually, like this one is beginner level, this one is professional level, right? So you can still leave this out of it if your pocket doesn't match it yet, and just buy this, or maybe replace this with the M50, because I know, for instance, that's what my younger sister also has a YouTube channel uses, and her videos are good. So you can still use this for starters, but obviously because I've stalled for too long, I just needed to make it worth your while. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to set this up now. Like I said, understand the settings, and that's all I have for my new equipment. If there's anything I'm forgetting, which I don't think so, I'll just put it all in the description. But yeah, thank you for watching.